Hello guys. So today we'll look at this AI tool name is Kling AI. This tool become talk of town and lot of corporations, marketing teams and AI guys are using it to generate different images and videos. Using this tool, you can do image generation, video generation using just a text or even using the different images. So without wasting time, let's go to this tool and see how we can use this tool and make a lot of money by becoming a pro of it. Let's get started. Let's go to the tools website. The name of tool is Kling AI. You can find the tools link in the description. So once you are there, you have to log in using your Google account. And after logging in, you can see you get the few limited free credits. And you can also see several features here. You can use whichever one you want. Since we want to generate a video, we will use the video features. Here you can see options like text to video, image to video, and multiple elements. In multiple elements, you can do things like face swap and or remove images or video clips. Just drag and drop your image or video into the box and type in what you want to change and click generate. It's that simple. We are not demonstrating that part here, but if you want, you can also try that one as well. So now let's look at the text to video feature, which is how we made a video like this. So let's see how to do it. Click on text to video. Then in this box, type your prompt. Describe the kind of video you want. So I have already written mine. So I'll just paste it here. If you want a prompt, that is available in the description. Next, you want to add negative prompt. You can, for example, if there is something you don't want in the video, you can write it here. So we are skipping it for now. Then choose your video quality. Standard is available for the free users and professional quality is premium users only. After that, select the video duration and then choose your video size. You can also choose how many videos you want. But for generating more videos, you will need a paid plan. You can also adjust the creativity level here. Once all that is done, just click to generate. And in few minutes, your video will be ready. And here it is, the final result. Looks good, right?
Yes.
Now let's look at image to video feature. I'll take this image and convert it into a video like this. Let's do it. Click on image to video. Then upload your image in the box. If you have multiple images, click on multiple options and upload them all. I have single image, so I'll just upload it here. Next, in the prompt box, describe what you want to animate or change in the image. I have already written, so I'll just copy and paste it here. The prompt also available in the description. You can also use the motion brush, but for that you will need to change the model type. Then just like before, choose the video length, size, how many videos you want, same as we did earlier, and finally click on generate. And in few minutes your video will be ready. And here is the final result. Looks nice, right?
Yes!
To use it, click on the image feature on the right hand side. You will see box where you will need to enter details of the image you want to generate. I have already written my prompt, so I'm just going to copy and paste it here. You have also the option to upload a reference image in this box if you want. Once uploaded, you can make changes to that image like face swaps, restyling, or even editing the entire image. Next, you need to select the image size. There are multiple size options available. After that, enter how many images you want to generate. Once everything is set, just click on generate and within few minutes, your image will be ready. So here is the final result. So if you found this tutorial helpful about Kling AI, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe my channel and let me know on which AI tool you want to have a tutorial on. See you in the next one.